best superhero team on the planet. We're a family. And like any family, we're all messed up in our own unique way.
We go around saving lives while ruining them at the same time.
We will rebuild, Mark. Count on that.
Your people must need your strength.
I'm sure they got it covered.
Behold, omnipotence tremble before my unlimited power! No.
Mark, I need you to go to space again.
What? I just got back.
We got a ship full of those Sequid things coming in hot. If they get their tentacles on Earth, they'll be pulling our strings forever.
We told you we were too powerful.
I guess we're all fucked.
How did a mere moment on Earth turn you into a weak, sentimental traitor? Answer me!
What's the occasion for such a fine suit?
I'm visiting an old friend. It is good to be home.
Die fast, assholes! My pizza's getting cold.
Your family's legacy is blood.
This is over. I'll never let anyone ever hurt my family!